My name is Charlene Freak, and we are here in the work cafe at Genoa Design. I wear multiple hats here at Genoa. I joke and say I'm a boat that just sails around this island where we build ships. So before I took the AI course that CME offered us through Keyin there, I did a lot of procedures and workflows, lots of research on Google. We would just kind of grab from wherever, right? I hadn't really used it too much before I heard about doing this course. A friend of mine, good friend and colleague, she kept telling me, Char, you've got to use ChatGPT. It's so good. I just used it to help me write a book. I'm like, you are crazy, girl. I am not using that. I was very nervous about it and didn't trust because of what we do is a lot of top secret stuff. So I was nervous about that. What can we upload? What does it live? What does it do with it? So I thought maybe it's not for Genoa. I think it was the first session we did. And he talked about prompting and how we had to tell AI its role. That blew my mind. Okay, wait now. Now I can tell AI what it's supposed to do. I'm excited now, right? We were doing a high school program to teach them a 1-week program on shipbuilding. So I thought I should build them a GPT. So I took everything that we were going to teach them for the week and dumped it into that GPT. And then we made a fun little game that we called Shiptionary. But then I also knew that high schoolers, man, they struggle with their mental health. So it came up with frequency. So it gave that also to the high school kids and intertwined the two. So if they used the next wave one that taught them about shipbuilding, it would do regular check-ins every now and again to say, how you doing? Do you need a check-in right now? And then it would bring them to the other GPT or vice versa. And a lot of the feedback at the end of each week was, this was the first time we heard it was okay to not be okay, which was super heartwarming and cool. And they learned a lot, and a few of them are going to sign up to do some shipbuilding. So I felt like the AI really helped us resonate with them in a way that we might have missed.